Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the vacuum bag on the DREAME L10s Ultra Gen 2. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So, first things first, we got to identify where the vacuum bag is in the station, and then we got to get the old one removed and we got to install a new vacuum bag. So you'll find the vacuum bag located under this cover, and you just grab it and pull it up to remove, and that reveals the vacuum bag. So pretend this one's full, we got to pull it up. Make sure too, when you remove it, that this lid is up too, so you're not leaking all of the contents back into your air and around your house. Dispose of it, then take your new vacuum bag. I'd recommend writing the date on it too, just so you can have a record of that to keep track of. And then take your new vacuum bag and you're gonna put it right back in place just like so. Then you push this down, and now it's time to put the cover back on. The cover only really fits one way. You'll try this way, it's not gonna work. That font is upside down, and you'll notice we have a cutout here for the solution tank and our seal for the vacuum bag. So that just goes right back on and just gets pressed right back in place. But that's it. Simple and straightforward to change the vacuum bag on your DREAME L10s Ultra Gen 2.